I think that we can all agree that the worst part of a room reveal is the wait. So I'm not going to make you wait. I know that you can just see from the before and after what I decided to do, but I wanted to show you what kind of things we chose to do in this room as well. The first thing Jorge did was put a doggy door in this wall right here, which is nice because from the other part of the house over in the living room, you wouldn't be able to see this doggy door because of where the counter space is. So it just makes it really nice. It's very inconspicuous and I just like it that way. And then we don't have to worry about the doors being open or closed. The dogs can still get in and out and they can go outside as they need to. The main thing that I needed to do was to take out that big buffet table. This room is too small to have a buffet table in here, especially of that size. And then I replaced it with my old dressing table right over here. And then I brought in a couple of lamps, which my subscriber Jessica told me I should probably do a mirror of the lamps here. And I put that mirror right up here instead of that big painting of the girl in the dress. And there were a couple of reasons for that. I love that painting, but I felt that it was a bit big to have in this room, as well as the fact that the painting has a lot of glitter on it. I felt like painting this room the peach rose color and having the pink drapes on here, it was just a bit much. I feel that you kind of have to choose, at least I do, for what feels right to me. Some things would just be over the top. I wanted to kind of tone things down a bit, so taking that painting out of here was a really big part of that. And then my plans for this wall right here is to put all of those watercolor paintings that I've been doing. I'm going to be framing them in beautiful white frames that have a lot of detail on them, and then I'm going to be putting my watercolor paintings in there. So Jorge told me today that he was going to be hanging some of those paintings that I already have in the frames, that we're going to start this wall. So I'm going to be starting it in the middle and I'm going to be working out. And you know, it will just add a little bit more interest to this room. I love the way that this room is very simple, and I'm trying to keep it that way. I don't want to bring a lot of things in here. I don't want to bring a lot of different pieces of furniture in here. But this is a great place for me to have extra candles, as well as napkins, salt and pepper, just little things that I may need to have in here. And then, oh, I also put some tea bags in there. So this is kind of like my tea room, and this is my entertaining room. We were joking and calling it the ladies' lounge, you know, and although it's not just for the ladies, I enjoy my husband's company in here. He really likes this space. He feels like it's very cozy, and eventually I am going to be switching out this chandelier for something real. But right now it's just a little added touch. We do just have a can light in here, and I think that's so important to open our doors and to just look for ways that we can connect to other people. I know right now it's a much harder time to be able to do that, And especially because depending on where you live, you have certain restrictions. We don't want to lose that kind of connection with one another. So I just think having a space like this will really just make that so much more of a priority in my life, and not feeling as if just because my kids are home and they're doing school and things like that, that I can't, you know, be with other people or speak to other people, or feel like I constantly have to go out to a restaurant where there are a lot of different mandates and just all different kind of things that you have to follow for their guidelines. And it just makes it so much nicer to have somebody over here. Just move a couple of things around. You can shop your own home and you can still create a wonderful space for yourself. I think simplifying this room was key, and it just really makes everything look so much better, and you can appreciate even just the little bit that's in this space without having a ton of things, a lot of furniture in here, and furniture that is really too big for the space. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this and that it inspired you to maybe rethink some of the spaces within your own home. How do you want to use your home? How would it best serve you and your family? So until next time, I hope that you all take care and enjoy, once again, this room makeover.